Welcome back, guys. Over the last few months, my channel has gained a fair few more subscribers. I'm constantly being asked what editing software and games that I play. I actually use a number of different devices throughout the day, some of which I've actually made videos on in the past. You might even recognize some of them. Today's video was sponsored by StopAd. More info at the end of the video and links are in the description below. So, let's begin. First of all, let's start with my main computer. This is where I primarily edit videos and play games. On here I use Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing, as well as After Effects and Photoshop for motion graphics and photo editing. To record my audio, I still use Audacity. It's free and it works. I use the Rode NTG3 shotgun microphone to record voiceovers. When it comes to games, I primarily use Steam. My favorite games are PUBG, Counter-Strike, and BeamNG Drive. If you've ever watched my videos, you'd know I usually play these games on the laptops I'm making videos about. Overall, this system is my main hub for just about everything. Next, we have my main laptop. This is the Dell XPS 15 9560. It's great for photo editing and video editing on the go with its 4K display. It's also quite capable when it comes to gaming with its 4GB GTX 1050 graphics card. I'll often take this laptop with me to friends' places to play multiplayer games. If I need to use a really small and portable device, I will often use a 2015 Apple 12-inch MacBook. It is super slim as well as light with excellent battery life, so it's ideal for script writing wherever I go. I normally write all of my scripts directly in Google Docs for quick and easy access across all of my devices. Now, if you're a long-time subscriber, you'll definitely recognize this one. It's a really old beat-up Lenovo ThinkPad X230 that I literally glued back together. I really love typing on this laptop as it has one of the best laptop keyboards I've ever used. When I'm filming videos, I will often use this to write scripts in Google Docs as I find it amazing to type on. So, today's video was made possible by StopAd. StopAd is forever free on Windows and Mac in one browser, and there's an option to upgrade to the Pro version with multi-browser functions, plus the ability to block ads in other apps. If you hate intrusive ads and having your web browsing tracked, links are in the description and you can download it for free. You can also turn it off on certain websites. I disable it when I'm on YouTube so creators still get revenue from my viewings. Once again, thank you very much to StopAd for sponsoring the video and asking the question, what's on my computer? Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.